The MapThat sketch tools can be accessed from the Edit toolbar. Underneath Edit Tools, let's choose Sketch Tools. Firstly, there'll be a list of any pre-existing sketch layers that you or a colleague might have created. Let's create a new one choosing the Create New button. We're going to give it a name and press OK to start drawing. The sketch tools, very similar to the drawing tools, give us options to draw points, lines, shapes. We can draw text. There are also options for snapping to Ordnance Survey data, as well as capturing objects. So first of all, let's capture the roundabout in the centre of the screen. If we choose a capture option, we're going to select from our master map data. We're going to click inside of the roundabout feature and press the camera icon to capture that feature. If we now press save, that object has been successfully added to our sketch layer. In addition to the drawing tools, we also have the ability to change the style of features in the sketch layer. Let's click on the style palette. Let's change the stroke colour to dark blue and the fill colour to a lighter blue. We can also change the thickness of strokes or the lines. Let's change that to 3. And to apply that, if we choose the paintbrush, we can apply that new style to any feature within our sketch layer. Once we've applied the change, let's press save. In addition to the capture tool, we can also manually draw within the map, so we can draw polygons, points. Let's have a look at drawing a line. Before we start drawing, let's choose our style colour. So let's choose a red fill colour, because if we have a certain thickness, then we'll have a fill to that shape. We'll change the thickness to 2, and then to start drawing, we'll choose the polyline. So again here, treat this as a sketch layer. Once you've printed your maps out, the sketch layer will be available on top of your data. Double click to finish that feature, press save. You can also draw point objects. Again, before you start drawing points, you have a list of available icons. So for example, there may be a coffee shop. So we'll choose coffee shop. We'll place a point on the map and click where that feature should be. Again, each time we add a new record, we'll save the object. Finally, let's add some text. Again, before we start drawing the text, let's change the style of the colour we're going to use, maybe to a purple. If that text has a fill, we'll choose a lighter colour. And before we draw the text, we're going to want to choose a size. Let's choose size 32. All of these can be updated afterwards using the style options. If we select our text button, we can now type, put the text within the cell, press OK, and then place where you'd like the text to be. So there we are. Within the sketch tools, we've added a polygon feature using the capture tool, a line feature, a point feature, and also text. Let's remember to save that object. And finally, before completing the sketch tools, we've got a series of edit options whereby we can cancel something we're doing. We can move an existing object, such as a point feature if we wanted to, place that somewhere else. We can edit shapes, such as reshaping lines if we wanted to. So we can change the shape of the line we have there. We can also remove features. And finally, if we wanted to, we can edit and add attributes to existing objects. So in this case, the coffee shop, we could add some attributes to it. And we could say maybe who the owner is. Press OK, press save, and there is your sketch tool. Remember, sketch tools can be shared with other users who have the same role as you, and they can also be printed out with a scale printing tool.